Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rise and Dine. Today, we're gonna try chorizo poutine at Morning News. It's supposed to be amazing. Let's go. All right, welcome back to Rise and Dine, and I'm Stacy.
And I'm Bob, and today we're working with a new camera, so hopefully this thing looks good. We're pretty excited. I've been wanting this camera for a long time. Let's hope it lives up to the expectation.
And shows off Morning News, because that's where we are today, on Sahara and Rancho, roughly.
Yes.
And we've heard about it a long time.
This has been on our list from the beginning, but a lot of people have been coming here doing their shows, so we just waited a bit. But today is the day.
Morning News. So before we get into the menu and everything yummy that's here, please remember to
like,
share,
and subscribe,
and comment, and let us know what you think. Hopefully you like us. And we need some suggestions for stuff around UNLV. We don't have.
Oh, right.
We haven't been around UNLV, so
Yes.
in that area, Paradise, Winchester area, we need some suggestions for over there. So leave us something in the comment, and that would be great.
So it's time for that first taste.
Cheers.
All right, cheers, love. And I'm drinking it black.
Oh, me too. All right.
Kona-like.
It's Kona-like.
It's Kona-like, which is okay.
It's okay, but we recently learned at Parlor why that is. The taste of Kona coffee.
Do you remember? Because I don't.
Because it has so much ash in the ground.
In the soil.
It makes it a little more acidic.
Right. Well,
So it's okay. If you like Kona, this is it.
yes, but
Kona's
it's a good cup of coffee if you're a Kona aficionado.
Yeah.
Let's peruse this menu.
All right, look, it's a pretty big one.
It's pretty, too. Morning News. Love the logo. I'm going to ask, she's coming over now. Do you have any suggestions?
Yeah, of course. So hangover breakfast, I'm gonna say, is like our most popular. You get like the eggs, the hash brown, the bacon, the sausage, toast, and then it comes with pancakes, waffle, or French toast. Down at the bottom of the menu is gonna be all of our flavors. So pick a flavor and it'll come on pancake, waffle, or French toast, your choice. Chorizo poutine is another popular one.
That one sounds really
Right?
good.
Anything with cheese and French fries, right? And then corned beef hash is delicious too. And chilioko is a bacon, bagel, egg, cheese sandwich. That one's my favorite.
The Shelly Yoko.
Delicious.
Shelly Yoko, as in Yoko Ono.
Yeah, we name everything after our caricatures. So like the egg is Shelly Yoko, waffles Preston Steele.
That's a great
Definitely.
picture. Okay, so this is the chorizo poutine. This is a real dietetic, breakfast. It's fries and gravy and egg and loco moco gravy. This is crazy. Is this the loco moco? No, this is just a gravy. Let's take. Ooh, fries are crisp. I heard that when the fork went in. Wow, that should be illegal. It's so good. Quick, get my cardiologist on the phone. Oh my God, it's so good, really.
Bananas Foster waffle. So that's what I decided to get. I'm getting the sweet. Bob got the savory. So this is bacon crumbles, unbelievable, and pecans, candied pecans with maple, and then there's bananas compote underneath there and a waffle. So you can get this combo, this kind of taste thing, on French toast or a pancake or a waffle. Let's have some. Yeah, this waffle is so fluffy. I know we were at another place that specialized in waffles, and they had a nice crispiness to it, but honestly, for me, they were a little too crispy. This waffle is tasty and tender, easy to eat. like it.
So here we go. I am tasting the sweet Chunky Monkey, and this looks incredible. Wow. The bacon. It's nice thick bacon with it's mapley. There's bananas. This is kind of crazy, but it's a great offset to the poutine.
Let's try this chorizo. I love chorizo. This is a very nice one. Sometimes a little overdone, but this is not. And this gravy is awesome on the potatoes with it. Totally delicious.
Okay.
That was yummy.
Wow, I am beyond stuffed. I know I say that every week. I'm beyond stuffed, but I am. Who thought fries and gravy for breakfast was a good idea?
Somebody did.
We did.
And
A
they did it.
poutine, the poutine. Is that a French-Canadian thing or a New Orleans thing, or both?
I don't know. Somebody leave a comment and tell us. I think it's Canadian.
I think it's
I
Canadian.
think it's French-Canadian.
But I think it found its way down to New Orleans.
I don't know. Somebody fill us in. I don't know. We're going to have to look it up.
I don't even know what poutine is, but I assume it's a cheese and thing and
No, it's about the potato.
the potatoes and the gravy.
Someone will correct us. If you're still with us, thank you so much for hanging with us.
Yes, in our conversation about the origins of poutine.
So, but morning news, delightful, very filling, and delicious.
Once again, service, the waitstaff, beautiful, lovely.
I think that's
I
everything.
think that's it. So
we covered
thank you for sticking with us, and it's
And,
good to be back in a restaurant.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, do all the stuff,
Smash it, smash it.
and we'll see you next week.
All right.